Hello there, this is Michael, and this is the weekly Forex market forecast. Now let's get started. We're starting with the Nzdusd, but before that, let's take a look at the products that we offer. We offer the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly. You can subscribe to our premium Forex signal service to get highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level when you use them. So we are available. I'm available. My contact is in the description below. That's my Telegram contact. Copy the link and you put it in your browser and chat me up, and let's get talking about how you can be part of the premium Forex signal service. I'm not mixing words. I'm not making a mistake when I say this will take your trading profits to the highest level. So join us and let's get started. Now let's get back to the business of the day. NZD-USD. What is NZD-USD telling us? Well, NZD-USD, we had a prediction for NZD-USD, but the previous week was not, last week was not a moving week. The market didn't necessarily move so much. We had all the week's candles around the 0.59858 zone. So now what we expect is that if the market comes into the zone, still the same prediction, market comes into this 0 point. Now we had already, stated that here. If price comes into this, if price comes into the 0.60854 area and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would expect, price to drop off into the 0.59858, yes, the 0.59858 zone. That's what I would expect. But if price drops, into the 0.57879 area, right, and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would expect a little, bullish move. To be on the safe side, I would suggest that you can, possibly take your profits around the 0.58668 zone. So that's what I'll be looking out for NZD-USD. NZD-USD is currently like a bearish market right now. Yes, it's a bearish market, and most likely will continue to drop off. Yeah, so that's what I'll be expecting for NZD-USD. So let's move to the next one, to NZD-CHF. Now for NZD-CHF, just like we predicted the last time, that if price gets into the zone, this 0.55026 zone, and gives us a bearish day close below, then I would expect that the market will fall off from there. Then the market will give us some good moves from there, at least into the 0.54468 area. But if the market doesn't do that, and then it's, if price, goes ahead into this area first, this 0.52968 area, then and give us a bullish day close above, then I would expect that, price would push higher. And you can, target this previous area, this previous zone right here, this zone right here, this place right here, the 0.53404 area as a target. So that's what I'll be looking out for NZD-CHF. Now for Gbpnzd. Okay, Gbpnzd, we already have our prediction that if it comes into this 2.06291 area and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then we should expect a bullish move into at least the 2.09294 area. That's what I'll be looking out for. But of course, if price, let me clear some of this first. Yeah, so if price comes into a zone like this, so into this 2.10084 zone, and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I would expect that the market will also, drop off from there. Let's take a look at the trend. It appears to be a bullish trend, but now we see something like a reversal, like a like an inverse head and shoulders, but hasn't really, but isn't really, I don't consider that's really significant for now yet. But if we have something like this, we have the market push into this zone, into this 2.10084 area, gives us a bearish day close below, then I'll expect the market to drop off from there, maybe at least into this area right here, into the 2.08392 area right there. That's what I would expect for the market, and that's that for Gbpnzd. Now to move to Gbpaud. Okay, so what do we expect from Gbpaud? Well, for Gbpaud, let's do some clearing first again. Our Gbpaud, we've seen price come really close. In fact, I believe it came in contact with that zone. Let's quickly do that. Let's check that. The low is 1.89062 and that zone is 1.89044. So that means it just missed that zone at about 2 pips. Yeah, about 1.8 pips thereabout. So yeah, it did not hit that zone because although it came into that zone, but I like to see the market violate my line before I take any reversal or any price movement seriously. So it has not come into that zone. So what would I expect? I would expect that if price comes into this 1.86928 area, hold on, let me check the trend. Okay, actually looks bullish in the long run or in the long term, but hey, I would say not so clear. Now for Gbpaud, if the market comes into this 1.86928 area and gives a bullish day close above that zone, I would expect that price will come back into the 1.89044 area. Yeah, but if the price pushes as high as somewhere like the 1.91085 area and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would expect that markets will drop off, into this at least into the 1.90102 zone. So that's what I'll be looking out for Gbpnzd, right? That's what I'll be looking out for Gbpaud rather, Gbpaud. So that is that for Gbpaud. Now back to our product. Join our premium Forex signal service. This is going to change your trading results for the better, right? People have been making a lot of losses trading, and this might just be the end of your losses if you join us. The $200 monthly is nothing compared to the value that you get joining our signal service. So come on board and let's work together. All right, thanks for your time. Bye for now.